Today I'm going to teach you guys how to crack your upper back by using a wall. First of all, step 1 foot back and plant your 2 feet down and have your 2 hands like this interlaced. Place it right here, forehead right on the hand, and at the same time, press your chest against the wall and stick your butt outward, like so for the upper back crack.